Kathy with my DIY. Today I will be cleaning my garden, and I figure I'll take you along with me and maybe inspire you to clean your garden and plant a little bit there too. Come on guys, let's get started. First, I want to quickly show you what I got at Dollar Tree. Look at these cute garden gloves, pruners, all the wonderful seeds they sell. 4 packs for $1. You cannot beat that. And also, I got these great egg stakes that I'm gonna also put in my front garden. All right, there's no doubt about it. Springtime is overwhelming time for any gardener. And as you can see, I don't have anything fancy here, just sunflower beds, and everything's covered after the winter with the dead leaves, a lot of dead foliage, shrubs out of control, and of course weeds already peeking through. Weeds always grow no matter what, but in order for your flowers to grow, those leaves have to be cleaned up so they don't slow down the growth. So let's get going, guys. I actually have a checklist here for you to make it a little bit easier. First, remove all the leaves that are sitting on top of your plants. Next, pull out any annuals because they will not grow back. And pull out all the weeds before they get a chance to get established. A lot of leaves over here, and it's funny because you clean up in the fall and then in the spring is still so many leaves. Over here in this corner, my hydrangea is all covered up. I cannot wait for that beauty to bloom. Looks so much better already. And I have a picture from last year. Look how beautiful, how full that bush is gonna get. I cannot wait to enjoy it. I make a lot of bouquets for my home. Next, remove any dead growth from the perennials. Like I have this beautiful lantern rose here, but there's so many dead leaves on it, and removing the old leaves will help the plant grow and get stronger and not waste energy on those dead leaves. Look how beautiful it looks now. Isn't it gorgeous? Now you can really appreciate its beauty. And here's the pink one, also beautiful. I had to cut off many more leaves on that one, but it's gonna grow back. It's gonna be even more beautiful later. And look at this poor little crocus. It's crushed by the golden cypress, which brings me to number 5. We gotta prune the shrubs. Spring is a great time for pruning because it triggers the new growth and also prevents any disease from happening. So just go ahead, prune away any branches that are outgrown, out of control, like over here covering my flower bed. And yeah, don't be scared to do it, guys. All right, now these poor little flowers will have a chance to grow. We just have to loosen the soil now. Next, we're gonna feed the plants. I have this natural plant food that I'm mixing with water, and that way I'm gonna provide all my plants with some food and necessary nutrients to grow after the winter. And of course, Coco is always curious and interrupting me here. I'm also gonna feed all the flower pots that I have, like these beautiful narcissus. You've seen me make arrangements with these. This is called Narcissus Surprise. How beautiful. I cannot wait for my white rose to bloom. It is called John Paul II. I purchased it at ShopRite. It was broken, yet it comes back every year with the most beautiful, fragrant flowers. I love it. And once the garden is clean, you can plant some flowers. Like today, I'll be planting some pansies. Pansies are great because they can withhold low temperatures. And weather in New Jersey at nighttime still gets cold during spring. So I don't recommend planting anything like begonias, petunias, anything like that is not good yet, not until May. But pansies can withhold low temperatures and they're perfect for this time of the year. And here's the look at the clean flower beds. It is great feeling of accomplishment that this is done, and I can now wait and enjoy my flowers. Soon the tulips and lilies and more primroses will be blooming, and it will be just beautiful. That's what I love about spring flowers. They just keep coming out, and you plant them in the fall and you enjoy them later in the spring, throughout the whole spring season. Like the irises are gone already, and those little crocuses unfortunately gone. But you know what? We enjoyed the cherry blossoms and other beautiful shrubs and bushes. So this is just part of my garden. This is what I do up front. I have much more on the side and in the back, but one day at a time. We don't need to get everything done in one day. And look at this white beauty. It grows on my neighbor's side. Oh, and I almost forgot these adorable egg steaks from Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? They're such a good deal for $1. They bring so much color and pattern to the garden. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.